How to move Photoshop scratch disk to external drive. Please leave a like if this helps. We're going to go through a couple troubleshooting methods as well. So go to Edit to the top left of Photoshop, go down to Preferences, and then select Scratch Disks. Now you can simply click the drive you want to use, untick your current drive, click OK, restart Photoshop, and you now have a new scratch disk location. Now, tip number 1, please use a solid state drive. This will reduce bottlenecking. Time for some troubleshooting. First of all, if you cannot see the drives, try opening Photoshop as administrator first. Maybe the drives will appear then. If Photoshop is not opening, you can hold Ctrl and Alt on Windows or Command and Option on macOS while opening Photoshop to force the scratch disk preferences window to appear when you open Photoshop. And finally, make sure the external drive is formatted in either APFS or macOS Extended Journaled on Mac, and if you're on Windows, NTFS or exFAT. That could be why the drive is not showing up. It's because it's probably not formatted properly, so you're going to have to reformat your drive in one of those formats. You can look that up on Google on how to do that.